On-the-go water softener. Are you looking for a portable water softener system? Then look no further, because On-the-go water softener offers a portable 16,000 grains water softener system that is a top pick as an RV water softener. This 2-in-1 on-the-go water softener and conditioner system produces twice the amount of water in gallons than any other standard portable model available in the market. This is also one of the largest compacts on-the-go water softener you can buy today. However, this water softener system is only for the RVs. If you are looking for a water softener for a household, we would suggest avoiding this one. That said, the system comes with a compact and space-saving design that will allow you to fit it in the tightest places. On-the-go water softener can provide you with soft water and allows high flow rates. One of the unique features of this water softener is that it is easy to carry with a handle on top. The large mouth opening will allow easy access to the salt addition process. You do get high-grade premium quality resin with travel-friendly options to cap and plug. This will help you prevent any leakages, and you also get quick and straightforward regeneration with this on-the-go water softener. You can use a standard home-use garden hose connection between your RV and park faucet. Moreover, you do not require any electricity or tools. Again, if you are looking for a water softener system for your household, there are better options available than getting an on-the-go water softener. Pros: compact design, quick regeneration, easy to carry anywhere. Cons: not suitable for heavy usage. Sometimes regeneration may not be as per what you expect. The limited capacity of water at a time.